TV a number of years ago, and she was asked a question and she went, yes, that's right, we're going to be doing that. How congruent was that? You're going to start noticing people. You'll have an awareness of what's going on in their head. Is there a mind-body discoordination, or are they really not telling me the truth? But more importantly, where are they? How are you feeling today? I'm fine. I'm really good. When they do that, what's happening?
You're not well.
You're not in a good space. Wanting to open up an awareness for you. Good work, thank you very much. Thank you.
I thought I got it wrong.
I am a communications expert.
I'm
always in communication, even when I'm out of it.
Out and slam the door, and I'm not going to communicate with them. You've communicated a message. This was just a wake-up call. You're always in communication. Whatever you like, don't fidget.
Okay.
So you're kind of solid. So you might want to put your feet apart a little bit, like you are, and being solid. And then if you look at everybody...
I'm married and I have a 2-year-old daughter named April. For work, I'm a community services manager for Whatever It Takes Trust. We provide community services to people with drug addictions, mental health and homelessness.
I love what I do.
I love what I do.
Up in your hand, I want your hand straight.
Right.
Now put your elbow on your hand.
Yeah.
Now come right down. That's it.
Oh,
So do it again. I work with clients.
I work with clients for great results.
Now bring your thumb into your hand.
That was a coach speaking. Sally?
You know, I heard this somebody speaking once about how some of the rugby players use ballet for strengthening and toning their bodies as well. So maybe you could like bring that in as well when you're telling them.
Rugby.
Yes, yeah, absolutely, this one.
Okay.
What the?
What calls to you?
Feedback is vital for me.
The biggest thing I've learned today is the 4 different communication styles. And I know that's going to help me a lot in all my relationships, particularly with my husband, with my clients. But it's also explaining me a lot more to me.
So I just want to say, the first time we've run Communication Cafe with all the communication for profiles, personality profiles, I believe is a success. I want to say thank you to my wonderful people here, my lord and ladies in waiting for assisting us
Thank
to
you,
get there.
Melissa.
You're very welcome.
Yes.
Thank you.